Right, the engine is in. I haven't started it yet. It's got oil, it's got fuel. I've just got to prime it a couple of times and hopefully it should start. I've only got the tank just resting in place, no pod filters on. They're over there. I want to make sure it all works before I finalise everything. Little background, this engine hasn't been started in probably about 5 to 8 years at a guess. It's got 4,900 miles on it. It's a K2. It's been sitting around in people's garages since it was removed from the original bike. The original bike was involved in a pretty serious accident where the frame was bent. It's been sitting in, like I said, sitting in people's garages ever since. I bought it, and now hopefully this will be the first time where it will run. I hope everything is connected. I hope it doesn't go bang. So yeah, I don't know what to do next apart from start it. A little top tip: if you've got a Data Tool Series 3, like this piece of shit here, and just unplug the speaker. Just where is it? There it is. 2 pins there. Just unplug it. There's the speaker. It'll go off, but no way near as loud. Probably a 1% of the volume. You can carry on working while it's in service mode, etc., etc. What a hunk of junk. But anyway, enough of my dribble drabble. Let's have a go. So to sound the alarm. Just prime it. Oh dear. Prime it a few times. There's no fuel leaking. Right, I'm just going to put the camera on a perch so you can see the exhaust, and if it smokes like crazy then I know I've done something wrong. But anyway, let's have a look. Fingers crossed. Well, that was me. I flicked the red switch and it turned it off. It's a bit smoky. I don't know if that's a good thing. I have been spraying WD-40 in it for a while. Sounds like it's rattling from the head. I wonder what that could be. Right, let's open up the garage for a start. Well, at least it runs. Bloody hell. Let's here, let the smoke settle down. Yeah, at least it runs. It's a bit more rattly than I wanted. But yeah, we can sort that out. Alright, let's get to fixing it.